Okay guys, here are the show-stopping ingredients that you will need that is not black pepper in that container. That is confection sugar or powdered sugar, however you guys like to say it. I just had so much, so I put it in there. You know, you want to take your pancake mix, you want to mix it all up. I use the one that you just add water, not the one you gotta add milk and eggs and all of that. But you just want to mix it up until it's not lumpy. You guys know how to make pancakes. It's the same. You want the same consistency. And when you're done mixing that up, you want to take your Uncrustable, go ahead and put it in there, get it nice and coated on both sides, because right after this you're going to put it in your grease. And so you know from the beginning, while you're doing all of this, you want to make sure your grease is heating up. Don't want to put it in cold grease. That's like the worst. Then it's going to be dripping in grease. It's not going to be good. So make sure you're heating your grease up while you're doing this process. So when you're done coating it, you can just go ahead and drop it in your grease. When you drop it in your grease, it should automatically start cooking. That's how you're gonna know if your grease is nice and hot enough or not. And you wanna go ahead and flip it once it's nice. Once you can see that it's nice and golden brown on one side. This does not take long at all, literally like a couple of minutes. So probably a minute or so on each side. So once you take it out of the grease, you barely even have to drain it, but you can drain it, put it on the paper towel or something, and you go ahead and put it on your plate. Put your ice cream on your plate. I use the Breyers vanilla. I think it is vanilla bean. Anyway, vanilla from the Breyers brand. I put my powdered sugar on top. I take my caramel, I drizzle it over the top of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I drizzle it over my ice cream because you gotta make it pretty. That's the whole point of this. And when I'm done with that, I go ahead and cut into this bad boy, and you guys will see, oh my god, it is so good. But yeah, drizzle that caramel so it can be picture worthy, so you can take a picture, show your friends. So now you want to go ahead and cut into it. Just look at it. You can see the steam coming out of it. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't wait till y'all try this. If you try this, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. It is so good. And when you get that piece, make sure you dip in with the ice cream. Oh my god, I love these. My sister loved these too. We gotta stop eating them. You know what? That's how you get fat. But we on lockdown, we on quarantine. We might as well give it a go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.